Welcome to GSL GM City 1720, Boat Trail, Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Acadia Denali. Beautiful Denali's powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the GMC Acadia Denali, we have the power windows, locks, mirrors, as well as memory seating, power adjustable, height adjustable, and power tailgate here as well, electronic parking brake, and your heads-up display controls. A leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control, forward collision warning, as well as speak-to-talk and audio controls. Vehicle has 6 kilometers on the odometer there, brand new. Push-button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen up front. Navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Dual-zone climate control with heated and ventilated front seating, which is controlled here in the Acadia. You do have your lane keep assist and your all-wheel drive, as well as your sport, off-road, and trailer modes for driving. Here we have auto stop start, traction control, hazards, and then your parking sensors. You do have a wireless charging pad now, nice and big, USB ports in there. This is how you change your gears now, no more shifter knobs or anything. It is a button system, nice and easy. Vehicle has the all black interior, Bose audio throughout, wood trim finish as well. Beautiful extra touch on the Denali, black leather, heated and ventilated seats up front, and of course Denali in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Acadia, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful alloy wheels with Michelin all-season tires on there. We have color-matched door handles with keyless entry and the chrome accents. Denali down on the door guard there. Color-matched fender flares as well over top of the wheel arches there. We have our LED daytime running lamps, as well as fog lamps and parking sensors up front. Massive GMC chrome grille with a camera system in there as well. Making our way to the back of the vehicle, rear tinted privacy windows. The vehicle is equipped with remote start, and there is dual chrome exhaust tips and parking sensors at the back, power tailgate, LED tail lamps, and your backup camera. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Acadia Denali. Second row captain's chairs, both leather as well as they are heated and car seat ready. These seats do fold nice and flat as well as they fold up and out of the way, giving you access to your third row, a 50-50 split again. This is the 6-passenger Acadia. Seats fold back, lock right into position. Over top, dual sunroofs, one up front, one in the rear, independent of each other. We do have the heated seat controls, USB ports, rear climate, and a outlet in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Acadia Denali. If this is your next luxury 6-passenger all-wheel drive SUV, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.